Hello guys, this is Frank the Anointed FX, and this is our Elliott Wave weekly outlook on the currency pairs, metals, indices, and even cryptocurrency. So, if you have not been following this channel, please subscribe to our channel, click the bell icon so that you get our video whenever we share it. Always spread our news in order to support us for what we are doing in forex space. Of course, we have the VIP channels. We also have our training academy. So if you like to join, chat me up with the description of the link of this video. You will see our link to Telegram channel and even to my WhatsApp number where you can get me ASAP. Okay, this is disclaimer that this channel is for education purposes and all the videos, presentations, and writing are only for education purposes and are not intended as investment advice. You can implement this while trading at your own risk after consulting your financial advisor. So you have to be aware, guys, that trading is not for everybody. If you can't be able to take risk, then I don't think you have any business trading. So without wasting more of our time, let's start with DSY. And this is DSY. As you all know, DSY is practically at wave 3 and is trying to complete wave 4. So this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and all these are the wave 3. And this is where the wave 4 has started. And hopefully, and I think that is going to terminate here. That is coming up here and terminate. That is what I believe that will be obtainable in DSY. But looking at it, there is two possible ways for this to complete. Number one is it may come back here, taking away this liquidity that is here before going up again and then sell. That is number one possibility. Number two possibility upon this pair is that there is possibility of him going up straight again to here and then sell. And then the final possibility here is that here may be the end. Here may be the wave 4. Because according to Elliott wave 4 can as well end in 23% final partial ratio. But basically, it ends in 38.20. So there is possibility that here wave 4 may decided to end here and the market drop to wave 5. So these are three possibilities in this DSY. In order to find out which one will really happen or what will really happen there, join our Telegram channel, and the link to the Telegram channel is in the description of this video. So go there now and stay because I will be updating it in lower time frames what is happening. Okay, this is Euro US dollar. I almost say that Euro US dollar is an inverse of inverse of um, US dollar is an inverse of DSY. So whatever DSY is doing, just turn it upside down. You will see Euro US dollar. So this is Euro US dollar. So we're waiting for wave 4, and according to Elliott wave 4 is supposed to end at 8.20. And wave 4 can also as well end at 23, which is this phase now is 23. So you can end there. So what am I expecting in this pair? Number one, I'm expecting it to come from there and drop to here, then bullish. That is what I expect here. Well, I also expect that market may as well come up here to this line before coming on down here and then bullish. It can happen. So that's two things I am expecting in this Euro US dollar. So every other thing will be uh will be updated in our Telegram channel lower time frame. Okay, this is Great Britain US dollar. Of course, I expected Great Britain US dollar to drop to 50%, of this bullish move. You can see the bullish move. This is the bullish move. This bullish move expected to give me a correction to 60% of this bullish move, and then up we go. So that is what I am expecting, and that is what I'm waiting for. So once I get it to that place, then I'll have no fear. I will be able to buy it and hold it for a higher highs. This is a AUD US dollar Swiss, Australian dollar US dollar, sorry. So what am I really expecting in this pair? Of course, I'm expecting a correction. Looking at it, you can see that is a five wave movement. There is a wave one there, there's a wave two there, there's a wave three. This is here, and this is wave four, and this is the wave five. So what am I expecting? Expecting a correction towards here. It will be coming gradually to this very big candle. That is where I will be looking for buy opportunity and buy for another high. So that is what I am expecting here. I'm not going to trade it. I will wait patiently because it requires patience. I will just wait patiently for it to come to this very point. Look at this candle that is here. That is my measurement. So inside that place is where I will be looking for a buy opportunity and buy it for a new high. That new high is going to be very sweet. Okay, this is US dollar Japanese yen. Looking at it, you discover that it has made a new high starting from last week from here. It did an A, B, C to here, and it came down to 50% to stroke 61%, and it's going up again. So what am I expecting in this pair? I'm expecting this pair to continue up by Monday and get to here, break this place, and come down again, and then come up again. This is where I'm expecting it to reverse and continue selling. So this very place, I'm expecting to take that high. Then if you take that high, then it goes to reverse. So I'm still bullish on this pair, but the pair is going to be doing some ups and down, ups and down. So it won't be moving so impulsively. So you may come up here and give us another deep correction, or you may keep deep correction to here before it comes up. So any which way, I will just start selling until it come here. So once this place is taken out, forget about anything buying, start looking for sell. Same goes there. This is this is Canada Japanese yen. So what am I expecting? You can see where I'm expecting it to terminate this very place. Once it get there, it will give us a correction and then take us to here again before the selling will continue. That is what I am expecting. So here now, I'm not I'm waiting till Monday. By Monday morning, I will look for a buy opportunity. If there's no buy opportunity, we come down again, whether here or here, I will look for buy opportunity for a new high. That is what I am expecting in this Canada Japanese yen. Okay, this is US dollar Swiss francs. Of course, you can see when last week I told you that it's going to come down to complete C, and it came down, although it did not come so deep, it just came 50% of this bullish move and then begin to move. So what am I expecting? By Monday, you're going to see another up move to this very place, and that is where this correction may terminate is on there. Another sell will begin below. That is what I now am bullish on it. I think I'm still holding it in my account. Okay, I'm holding not it. I'm holding the uh this Canada Canada Swiss francs. That's what I'm holding. Canada Swiss franc did just a triangle movement. It did a triangle. A B C D E, and then a breakout of the candle. It didn't come down. So what am I expecting? I'm expecting it to come up to this very point. This very point, that is where I'll stop buying. And it may as well come to this other block before it starts, come to this other block before it starts selling. So I hope guys you were able to pick up some things. So this other block is the other block that is here. But here I'm taking my profits. Then I wait for it to touch the other block and see what happens, whether we are going to see a set up here and then sell for another four. That is all for card. Okay, this is Euro Japanese yen. Of course, I'm expecting it to come up. You can see where I forecasted it up from here to here, but it's coming so gradually to that place. So see where I forecast also that it's going to drop and then come up again. So I'm sincerely expecting it to give me an up move, by next week. Break this up and come back again, do some correction, break, do some correction, and then come to this very point. This is where I will be looking for a buy setup between this place. Once I see a buy setup here, I will sell down again. So right now, it's still on a bullish ride. Great Britain Japanese yen. Of course, you can see where we started. This is where we started, I think 3 weeks ago. And you can see where we are now. What are we expecting? You can know where we are going, see where I marked. And we are going to be watching it gradually. It may take some weeks more to get there. Get there. We break on here, you do some correction, come again. That is how we will go until you get there. Once you get there, you see a setup. There's a good sell down. So right now I'm still bullish on this. Yeah, Great Britain, Japanese yen. Remember also Great Britain USD is also bullish, even though they are still have something to drop. Okay, this is US30 in US30 in this week I traded US30. I bought from here and sold from this very point. I made some profit. So right now, what am I expecting in this US30 in this? Of course, I told you last week about this other block that is here. You can see what market is doing there. It came to that other block and rejected that other block and it's trying to come down. So what am I expecting? Expecting the correction that will come to this very place. The correction that will come there and then usher us in for another new big high. However, because we're going to react to this big other block. This other block is very huge. There are so many others there. So you touched it and came down. You might as well touch it again and then give us a correction towards here. And from here, boom. That is what I will be waiting for. A drop from here and then boom. That is what I'm waiting for this on this pair. Okay. The same thing. I think the similar something is going down. Is going up there. This one also come down. Take some orders from here and go up. But this level has been rejecting it. So once it come to that level, fees and rejection. So what am I expecting in this level? I'm not expecting the market to give me a correction to this very level. Give me a correction here. Then pick some orders. Boom to another high. That is what I am expecting. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. That is what I'm expecting. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is what I am expecting in NASDAQ and NAS100. So everything will be cleared in Telegram channel. Join us and notice. Wow, 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 wow. If you have been following me on this pair, I hope you have made a lot of money by holding this from here to this very place. You can see that it breaks up and you have been From there, I've been analyzed that they're going to come back up and break all this up. And that is exactly what they have done. Right now, what am I going to do? Of course, as I break this up, I expect a deeper correction, which may may not be anything. A deeper correction that will come towards this very point and then give us another high. But this pair get this pair behave somehow. Sometimes you may not see that deeper correction. Sometimes this correction here is enough. It may continue to go up. So, but I expect a deeper correction that will take this low and then come here. Then I'll have confidence enough to enter again and buy it. But if it does not see any correction, as he has break this up, come up a little bit and give you a correction here, then a buy from here and go. That is what I am expecting in German text. Okay, this is Australian dollar Japanese yen. Of course, what am I expecting? I'm expecting a correction that we're going to take away all this high, all this high, this high, this high, this high, this high, and even this high. So I'm expecting the markets to continue to move on, move on, move on, move on until you get to this green line as we are set up is. This is what I'm expecting on this pair. The trend line has not yet broken. So once the trend line is broken completely, then I will know what next. Good. Good. I've been playing some games. We're playing some games. So you can see how I analyzed good at that time. A, B, C. Then I expected a correction, then another move. And the correction have come, another move has come. So what am I expecting in good? I'm expecting a continuation to up here. That's what I'm expecting. But before that continuation will come, there will be another, maybe another sweep of liquidity, a sweep of low here by Monday before that one comes. Or it may come from Monday and start going up. Any which one, but I still maintain bullish on gold. Silver. Silver, I think silver is still bullish. Looking at how it come there sharply and move on sharply. So I'm still expecting a bullish, but before the bullish will come, I expected it to come down here and take away this low. Yeah, touch this place if necessary and then go up. That is what I'm expecting. But the market can still, market has a finance, the market decided to go up here, break these lows, and then give us a correction and up. Anyone. But this one is my best expectation. That is all for silver. BTC. BTC are giving me a surprise I did not expect. It surprised me a lot and it's back up to 100,000. Wow. As BTC break this trend line, when it was a trend line, I was expecting it to drop from here, lower here before coming up, but he did he did what he liked, break up and fly up to this value place. So what am I expecting in GBTC? I'm expecting so this is weekend. So by Monday we may see a correction towards this value level. From there, there's going to be another bullishness to even break this up. To my break this up, I'm coming to here. So that is what I'm expecting in BTC. We're expecting in BTC. So I think that is all. I will not go to other details of cryptocurrency. I don't want the videos to be long, but I will drop some chat in our Telegram channel. So if you have not a Telegram channel, join our Telegram channel. The link of the Telegram channel is on the description of this video. And if you are not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to support us and give us a thumb like and click the bell icon so that you get our videos. There are other videos in this channel about trading that is in this channel. Go through them and also learn a lot from them. Okay, that is all, guys. That is all, guys. Please, thank you for watching and bye for now.